Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to manage a deleted public profile on Snapchat. It is important to understand that once your public profile is cleared, its content is permanently removed and cannot be directly restored. However, your main Snapchat account, including your friends and private chats, will remain fully active. This guide will help you navigate the process and understand your options moving forward. When you clear your public profile, specific elements like your custom bio, profile picture, and all public stories are permanently erased. Any content you had saved directly to that public profile will also be lost forever. It is crucial to remember that while your public profile content vanishes, your Spotlight and Snap Map snaps remain visible unless you manually delete them from their respective sections. Since a deleted public profile cannot be restored, the way to get back a public presence is by creating a new one. Simply navigate to your main profile screen, then select the My Public Profile option. From there, you can begin building a fresh public profile by adding a new bio, uploading a new profile photo, and sharing new public stories with the Snapchat community. Before clearing your public profile, always take a moment to review all its content carefully. If there are any important public stories or memories you wish to keep, ensure you save them externally, as they will be permanently lost otherwise. Remember, clearing your public profile only affects your public presence. Your entire Snapchat account remains active and accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.